Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review for the smart notifications or push notifications of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5. And on this video, we are going to continue the demo. We'll focus on the Instagram, Viber, and messages. For the settings, watch our first video. So let's start and have a demo of the Instagram, Viber, and SMS notifications. So if you want to know more about the smart notifications of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5, watch this video. And if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the smart notifications of the AOLON Watch Tetra S5. On our previous video, we do have a demo for the WhatsApp application and Messenger. This time, we will have the Instagram application. So we have the Instagram here. So let's send a message. Let's send a message to Cindy here. Let's say hello. Hopefully we can receive notifications from Messenger. Again. And we have here the messages. Okay. So we have the logo. We have the date or the time and the message. Again, there's no support for emoji for the smartwatch. As you can see, it's all black. So there's no support for emoji. How about the call? Let's see. It's now calling. Then and we have here the call notifications. Okay. Again, it works okay. It works good with our Instagram application. Next, let's have the Viber account. So let's send a message to Cindy. Where are you going? Where are you going? Message sent. Hopefully it works. This is our last application. After this, we'll have the SMS. And we have here. Okay. We have again the logo, the name of the sender, the message, and the time. Can we scroll? No, it's not working for notifications. Okay, so we have here the Viber account. We have Instagram. We have WhatsApp application. And that's it. At least how many messages do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so at least 8 messages can be stored in the smartwatch. Again, for our Viber, let's have a call here. It's calling. And we have here the call notifications. As you can see, we do have a missed call here from the Viber application. Okay, so again, it works for the messages and it also works for the call notifications. So everything works here for our AOLON Watch Tetra S5, both applications, Instagram and Viber. And before we end, let's have, of course, the SMS. So let's send a message. Say hello. Hello, this is SMS. So message sent. Let's see if we can receive the notifications. Yes, we do have here an SMS or text notification. We have again the logo for SMS, we have the name of the sender, as well as the message and the time. So delete the message. Okay, so that's it for our demo for our AOLON Watch Tetra S5 smart notification. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.